Homemade hummus is really easy to make. We need about 2 cans of cooked white chickpeas in water. To a blender, add 1/3 cup of chickpea water or aquafaba. This is the water in which you actually cook the chickpeas. Add 2 garlic cloves, then add 1/4 cup of good quality extra virgin olive oil. Add half a teaspoon of cumin or cumin powder and then half a teaspoon of salt. Add half a cup of tahini, which is nothing but roasted sesame seeds blended with olive oil. I also added the juice of 2 lemons. Add 2 cans of cooked chickpeas, which is roughly 3 cups. Blend together to form a fine paste. I'm using my Vitamix and nut butter mode. Of course, you can use any blender or even the Indian mixie. If you're using the food processor, remember that you'll get a coarser hummus. You can add extra water or aquafaba if you want to make it extra fine and smooth. You get a nice, smooth, and creamy hummus. Transfer the hummus to a bowl, create a shallow well in the middle, and pour some good quality extra virgin olive oil. Add some seasoning. I like dakka. You can also use coriander seeds, olives, etc. Garnish with fresh herbs like parsley. Our hummus is now ready. You can store them in airtight containers for about a week in the fridge. You can also freeze them in batches for using later.